Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain China's invasion of Tibet. We'll explore the historical claims and the period of Tibetan independence that preceded the conflict. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial to grasping the complexities of the situation. We'll then delve into the specific events that led to the military action and its immediate aftermath, providing a clear overview of this significant historical moment. Before the invasion, China had long-standing historical claims to Tibet, viewing it as an integral part of its territory. However, Tibet had effectively governed itself for a considerable period, operating with its own distinct political and religious systems. The changing global landscape following major world conflicts created an environment where these historical claims were reasserted with greater force, setting the stage for future events. The military action began when Chinese forces advanced into eastern Tibet, encountering a much smaller and less equipped Tibetan army. Despite some resistance, the Chinese military quickly gained control of key areas. This led to the signing of an agreement that formally incorporated Tibet into the People's Republic of China, marking a significant shift in the region's political status and sovereignty. Following the invasion, many Tibetans, including their spiritual leader, sought refuge in neighboring countries, establishing a government in exile. Significant cultural and political transformations were implemented throughout Tibet, altering its traditional way of life. This period continues to shape the region's identity and international relations. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.